MF Video Adapter HDMI DVI Mini DVI M to HDMI F 7.9 in. Designed for the iMac, Intel Core Duo, MacBook, and 12-inch PowerBook G4, allowing you to connect to an external HDTV or projector. Perfect for connecting your mini DVI source devices to HDMI monitors, AV receivers, and HDTV. Supports all HDMI Mini DVI devices. The 24K Pure Hardened Gold Plated connectors maintain high bandwidth and maximum data signal integrity. Signal type: Transition Minimized Differential Signaling (TMDS). Compatible with Apple, iMac, Intel Core Duo, Mac Mini, MacBook, PowerBook G4 12-inch. The MDVIHDMIMF Mini DVI to HDMI Video Adapter for Macbooks and iMacs features one 32-pin Mini DVI male and one HDMI female connector, allowing the video signal from a Mini DVI-equipped device to be output to an HDMI-equipped TV set or AV receiver. This is the perfect solution for using your HDTV instead of a computer monitor, or watch movies directly on your TV from your Mini DVI-equipped Apple MacBook or iMac computer. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. Loose connection. Needed this to connect my 2008 iMac to an external monitor for music production. A little looser than I expected when plugging into computer, but works great. Just make sure you have a good connection.